When you want to catch someone's eye without coming on too strong, it can feel tricky. The good news is that there are unique and effective ways to get his attention while keeping your cool. Here are 5 uncommon strategies that can work wonders. Number 1, use humor to break the ice. Humor is a powerful tool. It makes people feel good and creates a positive vibe. When you make someone laugh, it not only grabs their attention, but also makes them associate those happy feelings with you. Research shows that laughter releases endorphins, the body's feel-good chemicals. A study from the University of Maryland found that laughter can even increase your attractiveness to others. So, sharing a funny story or joke can lighten the mood and make you more appealing. Number 2, be a little mysterious. If you share everything about yourself too quickly, it can be overwhelming and might not hold his attention for long. Instead, keep some details about yourself to yourself. This air of mystery can make him curious and want to know more about you. The curiosity gap theory explains that people are drawn to things that they find intriguing. When you don't reveal everything, it creates a desire to learn more. A study published in the journal Cognition found that curiosity can lead to increased attention and engagement. Number 3, master the art of active listening. People love to feel heard. When you genuinely listen and show interest in what he's saying, it makes him feel valued. Responding thoughtfully shows that you care, which can deepen his connection with you. Active listening has been shown to enhance interpersonal relationships. According to a study in the journal Personal Relationships, when people feel listened to, they're more likely to form a bond. This practice can make you more memorable and appealing. Number 4, create shared experiences. Engaging in activities together can create a special bond. Whether it's trying a new hobby, attending an event, or simply going for a walk, shared experiences can strengthen your connection. The concept of misattribution of arousal suggests that shared experiences, especially those that involve excitement or adrenaline, like a scary movie or roller coaster, can lead to heightened attraction. A study published in Psychological Science found that people who experienced intense situations together felt more connected afterward. And number 5, show confidence through body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Standing tall, making eye contact, and smiling can all project confidence. When you exude self-assurance, it draws people in and makes you more attractive. Nonverbal communication plays a huge role in how others perceive us. According to a study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, people often rate confident individuals as more appealing and likable. So using open body language can make a big difference in getting his attention. Getting his attention while staying cool doesn't have to be complicated. By using humor, creating a bit of mystery, practicing active listening, engaging in shared experiences, and showing confidence through your body language, you can create meaningful connections. Remember, the key is to be authentic and enjoy the process. The right attention will come naturally.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this content and want to learn more about the psychology of the mind and heart, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Your support means a lot.